What's going on, everyone? Got a 2020 Cadillac XT6 key fob here, and we're gonna open it up to replace the battery. Okay, so we're gonna take this back cover off, and to do that, the first thing we're gonna do is remove the emergency key out of the bottom. If you look here on the left side of the remote, there's a button. You're gonna have to push this button in, hold it down, and then you can pull the emergency key out. Now when these key fobs get old, this button likes to get kind of sticky, so you might have to push it with something. So we can just take the emergency key out like that, and this is it right here. And we'll flip it over, and we'll use the slot with a flathead screwdriver to actually crack it open. All right, so it doesn't end up going to crack, and carefully take it out, okay? Sometimes the circuit board will stay in this part right here, so just flip it over and put it in here like that. All you need is the back half anyway. Here's our battery. Just pop it right out. I'll show you what size it is. It's going to be a CR2032 battery with the positive sign. See the positive sign right there? It's facing down. It just locks back in here like that. Now if you need the battery, or the battery size, again, I'll have a link down in the description box where you can pick one up if you need one, or if you need the battery size. Once you replace the battery, you just get the two halves, stick them together, and start at the top, lock it all back in, put the emergency key goes in, and if it locks and stays, you're good to go. Hope the video was helpful and was. Appreciate it. Hit that like button for me, leave me a comment if you could, and I'll see you again in another video.